Hola, saludos. This presentation is about direct object and direct object pronouns. Specifically, we are going to focus on the direct object pronouns lo, los, la, las. So we're going to go over on what is a direct object, then when to use the direct object pronouns, and we're going to end up with grammar. So let's get ready. So what is a direct object? What two question words help to identify the direct object? Let's see if you want, pause and think and try to define what is a direct object. How do you know what is a direct object? The direct object receives the action of the verb directly. How did you do? The two question words are what and whom. Let's take a look at these two sentences. I see a tree. What do you see? I see a woman. Whom do you see? So the two questions are what and whom. Now, let's take a look at those two sentences in Spanish. I see a tree. What do you see? Yo veo un árbol. ¿Qué ves? So that what do you see is ¿qué ves? I see a woman. Yo veo a una mujer. Whom do you see? ¿A quién ves? Notice that on the second sentence, yo veo a una mujer, we have the preposition a, the relational a. When a DO is a person, a direct object is a person, an untranslated a is placed directly before the direct object person. So what are the two question words in Spanish? ¿Qué? ¿A quién? So when to use direct object pronouns? We typically use pronouns to refer to the direct object when referencing something a second time in a conversation rather than using it again. So let's take a look. María, ¿pintaste tú la habitación? The direct object is la habitación. Luis, la pintamos entre mi papá y yo. The direct object pronoun is la. What are the direct object pronouns? Pause if you need time. Let's take a look. What are the direct object pronouns used? Direct object, we have the singular and we have the plural. So the singular ones are me, te, lo, la. Me for me, te for you, familiar. In this case will be tú. Then lo, it could be a usted, masculine, him, it, and then la is a you, feminine, usted, femenina, her, it, feminine. Then we have the plural, nos, os, los, las. Nos for us, os for the you familiar, in this case vosotros, los, then masculine or a mixed group, and then las for only you, ustedes that are feminine, and them that are feminine. When the direct object is a noun, English and Spanish generally order sentences the same way. Subject, verb, object. English places the direct object pronoun after the verb, keeping the same order. But Spanish changes the sentence order by placing the direct object pronoun in front of the conjugated verb. Let's take a look. Maria, did you paint the bedroom? Object, verb. Luis, my dad and I painted it. Verb plus object pronoun. But Spanish changes the sentence order by placing the direct object pronoun in front of the conjugated verb. Let's take a look. María, ¿pintaste tú la habitación? Verb plus object. Luis, la pintamos entre mi papá y yo. Object pronoun, verb. 3 basic rules for direct object pronouns. Now, number 1. A direct object pronoun must agree in number and gender with the noun it refers to. Remember, a pronoun is almost like an adjective. They have to agree in number and gender. Pronombre singular femenino o masculino. Luis pinta la habitación. Luis la pinta. Luis pinta el cuarto. Luis lo pinta. Pronombre plural femenino o masculino. Luis pinta las habitaciones. Luis las pinta. Luis pinta los cuartos. Luis los pinta. A direct object pronoun always precedes the conjugated verb in a one-verb sentence. Luis pinta la habitación. Luis la pinta. So notice, Luis pinta la habitación, subject, verb, direct object. Luis la pinta, subject, direct object pronoun, and then verb. Rule number 3. With the present progressive or infinitive, the object pronoun can either be placed before the verb or be attached to the end of the verb form. Let's take a look at these 2 examples. The first one is the present progressive. Luis está pintando el cuarto. Luis lo está pintando, or Luis está pintándolo. Then the second one is when is infinitive, an example of an infinitive. Luis quiere what? Pintar el cuarto. What does he want? He wants to paint the room. Luis lo quiere pintar, or Luis quiere pintarlo. Notice how you have 2 choices. You can put the direct object pronoun like you will do with a one-verb sentence in front of the conjugated verb, or you can attach it to the verb pintándolo when it's a progressive, pintándolo, or infinitive, pintarlo. Luis lo está pintando, Luis está pintándolo. The placement of the object pronouns in compound tenses does not change the meaning of the sentence, but merely reflects a preference of the speaker. Negative sentences. Placement of the direct object pronoun is the same in negative statements. Here we have an example. Luis no pintó el cuarto. Luis no está pintándolo. Luis no quiere pintarlo. Luis no lo pintó. Luis no lo está pintando. Luis no lo quiere pintar. The first one, Luis no pintó el cuarto. The direct object is el cuarto. And the simplified sentence is Luis no lo pintó. So the direct object is just in front of the conjugated verb. Before that, then you place no. So Luis no lo pintó. Let's take a look at the next one. Luis no está pintándolo. So we have the direct object attached to the verb in the progressive tense. So Luis no está pintándolo. Luis no lo está pintando. The second one, Luis no quiere pintarlo, or Luis no lo quiere pintar. So that's all. See you next time.